Someone said that your test can be a testimony for so many people. I know that many of you are going through the tunnels of trials and temptation. And that's Christian life. Our Lord and Master never promised that after following me, you will have a pleasant life. He said, pick up your cross and follow me. People will create problems for you. They will persecute you. And that's what is happening in this world. Maybe you are sick. Maybe you are under different type of attacks. But I would like to encourage you and to say you, be steadfast in your faith. Be strong. Keep praying. Never allow devil to come and destroy your faith. Your hope is not in the world, not on the east and west. Your hope is above, and Jesus Christ is going to bless you abundantly. Your test can be a testimony for so many people. God bless you.